Good evening. I am Prashant Sabbanwar here from Swimming Pools and Spa. I would like to give one small testimonial to Pankaj Deshpande. He is from Indradhanu Consulting Private Limited. Recently, I have taken his services for business optimization for my company called Swimming Pools and Spa. And here we do all type of swimming pools, fountains, water body, jacuzzi, natural lake, and this all works. So we are based in in Goa, in Parvarin. And we use services in Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Goa. So I would like to mention one thing. Although the corrections are going on in my accounts department, where he has done many correction and many changes, which is very fruitful to us, and it's giving benefit on daily, day-to-day work. And apart from this, I just asked once help on my for the staff side, like so he offered me a very good service on HR side as well, just to find out a suitable guy for the for our company as per our role clarity, whichever is decided by me. And we had 8 to 10 interviews, and we selected one guy, one person for the company, for the proposal engineer, and he joined our company. And so yes, this is all because of Pankaj Deshpande. So especially thanks to Pankaj for this.